This is my Pelican 9460 Rawls system. This comes in the case. I guess I should show you that the case, it's heavy, so it's got this rolling platform underneath. You pull this out, slide this up, and this is now on wheels. Good leverage, real good balance here. They figured it all out. You pull that out of this again, and it's going to slide right back in. The way this is designed, it doesn't get caked up or anything. Really nice. On the outside here, we have the vertical, so if we want to run the poles this way, we can. And then plug-ins here. But we can also lay it down. All the controls are on the front here with this intelligent control. Then we'll open it up. It is locking, since this is a pretty expensive system. In the lid, we have arms. They're designed to lock in. They're fast, super strong, get into position quick. The lights are good to go. They swivel on with just a few swivels. There we go. And you're in position. And then, of course, the plugs, as you can expect, are real heavy duty. So we've got 1, 2, quick into position. If you need lights quick, this isn't a problem. If you just need lights strong, you're definitely covered. All of this is good to go. Inside, of course, is the rest of your system. Because it's nice and heavy, good solid base. Now we just plug these into there, plug these into here, adjust them for where we need, turn the system on, and get going. Great system, rugged. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.